Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel, So here's the deal. So we did like a little wash and go some time ago, but now I was like, you know what, let's switch it up a little bit. So I said to myself, why don't we get a little bit of our Thank God It's Natural green tea leave-in conditioner. We're also going to be using some of our pomegranate and passion fruit curl enhancing smoothie by As I Am. And then our finishing spray is going to be the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. So this is not going to be much of a talk through, but I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself. If it's your first time on the channel, my name is Angie and this is Life with Star. Welcome to Life with Star. If you guys are already subscribed to the channel and you're returning, welcome back. And we are going to
FlexiRod our hair.
So yes, stay tuned, keep on watching for what I hope is going to be a great before and after. Before we get started, if you want to take this time to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload coming your way. Go ahead and do so now. I would love to have you. All right, y'all, let's get started, okay? Okay. Okay, superstars, y'all, I had to take the FlexiRods out. Are we blurry? We were. My head hurting, I'm too impatient. So what we're gonna do is, now that I've taken them out, I'm going to put the bonnet dryer back on and let that kind of dry a little bit more, and we just gonna do what it do, y'all. You know, it is what it is. I was on a hope and a prayer. We going into the prayer section of the tutorial now, okay? I'm just being completely transparent with y'all, all right? Next time I do this, I'm gonna do it with my hair already blown out. So I just wanted to come and check in and show y'all where we at so far. Okay, keep watching. Y'all know when y'all be in the hair salon, y'all be getting your little food orders, eating your little food. Let me tell you something. Sitting under this dryer, you be burning calories. It's so doggone hot. So a girl got to eat, all right? So we're gonna sit under here for maybe like 5 more minutes, y'all, because that's about all my scalp can take. And then we just going to, like I said, be on hope and prayer. And I mean, when all else fails, I could just wet my damn hair, you know? It just won't be the video y'all was thinking y'all was gonna get no more, okay? All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in 5 minutes. Okay, superstars, we're back. I'm hot, I'm about 1,000 degrees. The devil himself was breathing on the back of my neck, child. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist in the palm of my hand. I'm gonna use that in my hands to separate my hair a little bit so that it doesn't get too frizzy. And then we have our pick that we're going to use to kind of hopefully fluff our hair a little bit. For sure, next time I'm going to have to blow dry my hair and then do the FlexiRod so that the hair can come out exactly what I am envisioning. But we're just gonna roll with it for now. So keep on watching, and we're going to, again, hope and pray that it turns out decent. All right, y'all. Superstars. Yes. Get into the hair. It's one of the things you gotta kind of like trust the process. And I did not have the trust, but Lord, won't he do it? He provided the faith and the skill. Look at this hair. Yes. Okay, y'all, here is the style. Get into it. It's so pretty. Nice, bouncy hair. I did not tease it out too much, as you guys see, because I want it to last a couple days. We put just a little bit of Aunt Jackie's on the edges, nothing too crazy, because y'all know I don't like to load my edges up too much with too much stuff. Like, yeah. Do you guys like or no? I love. What do you think, friend?
I love it.
They look good. They actually turned out pretty doggone. They turned out pretty doggone good. But I do think that when I do them again, because I will do them again, because this is a nice, technique to get, your hair popping. I'm gonna blow my hair out a little bit and then do the FlexiRods and just see if that, gives me a different result. But I don't know about the drying time, y'all. Like, I can't sit under no dryer, like no type of dryer. That just ain't my type of life. Like, that's the one reason why I hated going to the salons, because I don't like sitting under the dryer. I start sweating, it's hot, I get irritable, like it's just too much of a hassle. But when you get results like these, it's kind of like, it's kind of worth it. So yeah, y'all, this is the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and drop some comments down below in the comment section. Yeah, I can't stop looking at it because I'm just like, I want to tease it out more, but I was advised not to. So I'm gonna follow direction, as hard as that is for me to do, and I'm not gonna touch it. We ain't gonna do nothing to it. But what I do want y'all to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming your way. Drop also in the comments below what you guys want to see on the channel. If there's a certain kind of hairstyle that you guys want me to attempt, okay? I told y'all before, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't know nothing about hair. I am the wash and go queen. But I have been wanting to try and experiment some things. So if there's something you guys want to see, just let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, _life with Star with 2 R's, and then TikTok is life with Star with 2 R's. And I'm actually becoming a little bit more savvy on the tick of the talk. So if you want to be entertained, head over there. And yeah, so that's that, y'all. Here is the hair. Here is the hair. It's so bouncy and soft. I love it. It's great. It's great. Bouncy hair. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign out so I can finish my food and y'all can go ahead and relax. Don't forget to spread love, because it's free, which means that it costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them, and I love you. Bye, superstars.